is Joseph.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great. What is your name?
My name is Doyamin.
And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Yes. What color do you like?
I like red.
And what animals do you like?
I like monkeys.
Awesome. Let's start your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Let's have the letters. What letter is this?
A.
What is the sound of letter A?
A.
What do you see?
I see an ant. I see an alligator. I see an ox.
Very good. Next, what letter is this?
B.
And what is the sound of letter B?
B.
What do you see?
I see a banana. I see a bear.
A bear.
A bear.
What do you see?
I see a bear.
What do you see?
I see a bear.
Correct. Next, what letter is this?
C.
And what is the sound of letter C?
Go.
What do you see?
I see a car. I see a cat. I see a computer.
Well done. Next, what letter is this?
D.
And what is the sound of letter D?
D.
What do you see?
I see a duck. I see a dog. I see a desk.
A desk.
A desk.
What do you see?
I see a desk.
Yes. Next, what letter is this?
E.
And what is the sound of letter E?
A.
Yes. What do you see?
I see an elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant.
What do you see?
I see an elephant. I see an elbow. I see an
And
envelope.
very good. Next, what letter is this?
F.
And what is the sound of letter F? Yes, correct. What do you see?
I see a fan. I see a phone. I see a phone.
Good job. Next, in this picture, I want you to point on objects that starts with the letter I ask you, okay?
This.
That starts with letter C.
Cat.
And how about letter E? E. Letter E.
E.
Correct. How about letter A?
Apple.
Good. And letter C?
Cat.
How about letter F?
Bird.
Fish. And letter B? B.
Bird.
And finally letter D.